One of my short-term goals is to go and visit one of my friends in Ballarat, and hopefully by the end of it we're both still in one piece.
I am working on my independent skills, learning to plan meals, grocery shopping and cooking.
Would you like me to talk about this for you? So Naomi's goal is to continue to live independently and live healthily as she lives independently. And through the NDIS, she's able to do that.
I'm doing exercises on a daily basis with the help of my support worker Matt, and one of my longer term or life goals is to get back into my walker and be able to weight bear and walk around by myself.
My long-term goal is to become a farmer. Cows make me happy and I want to be able to look after them. I would also like to have other animals so my friends and family can come and visit.
Got your NDIS package and you were able to move into the house independently with support.
Yeah, I love it.
It would make me feel overwhelmed to achieve that goal. Be persistent. You can do anything you set your mind to, and remember that slow and steady wins the race.
Created in partnership with WIDAS, the Youth Disability Advocacy Service.